Hello kids! Today learning colors name and 2D shapes and different shapes and different color. Kids, first name red color, green color kids, this color black color, and this blue color kids, blue color, golden color kids, and last color kids, yellow color. Shapes drawing kids, shapes drawing orange color, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Kids, color fill in this shapes. Kids, yellow color. Kids, yellow color. Kids, yellow color. Kids, yellow color. Hexagon, green color kids, green color kids, circle, black color kids, black color kids, black color kids, black color kids, pentagon, blue color kids, blue color kids, blue color kids, triangle, red color kids, red color kids, red color kids, heart, red color kid, heart, golden color kids, star, golden color kids, star, golden color kids, star. Kids, shapes, repeat, hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Thank you kids. This video like and my channel subscribe now. Thank you kids.